How to create a control chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for control chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Now we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Chart is created with categorical data column. Click on the Create Chart manually button. You can change upper specification limit and lower specification limit. Control chart data requirements. You need between 0 and 1 column of categorical data to create a control chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a control chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, first we will create a control chart with 1 numerical data column. Later on we will add a categorical data column. Important: control chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Line Properties pen to show the mean line. Click on the Chart Line Properties pen to set upper control line. Click on the Label Properties pen to set the dock to top. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.